Hello again, a new day, a new project. You see, I have this old keyboard of mine. It's a Roland JW50, vintage, still alive and still a good sound in it. So it can be really useful for different projects. It's very nice to be used like a training keyboard. The keys are semi-weighted, have a really nice feeling. I'm talking about these keys over here. I want to use that for piano lessons. But something is missing. Doesn't have an amplifier inside. Because this is a professional synthesizer. It used to be a really good stage synthesizer. My project for today is very simple. What I want to do, this synthesizer, this used to be powered by an external power supply. I'm gonna have a transformer inside here, and this one delivers me around 15 volts. It's exactly what I need for the main board, for everything over here, and it's so nice because it's kept in place by the floppy drive, and I'm gonna use double tape over there on a little bit of glue or something. I'll see it later. This will be the rectifier, a simple bridge rectifier, a simple electrolytic capacitor, 6800 microfarads, 35 volts. That should be enough for this project. This little thingy over here, power amplifier, can you believe it? It's a class D, 2 times 50 watts, and it's running at 15 volts. So this is it's a perfect combination with the power supply I'm gonna have and the transformer inside here. And I'm gonna have 2 loudspeakers like this, but not here on the top of the case, but at the bottom, because I don't want to destroy the face of the keyboard. The face of the keyboard should be as original as possible. So it's a easy modification, except the fact that the bottom lid is metallic. So you need a few holes, because I'm gonna have a loudspeaker here and another one over here somewhere. One there and one there. And that little amplifier I showed you before, it's stereo, so it's even better because it's gonna be a really nice sound. Here we have a little bit more details about this little power amplifier. So it's PAM8610. The input voltage is between 7 and 15 volts, and the power is 2 times 15 watts. It's a class D. Let's start do the job. For now, I'm gonna have this transformer in place. So this transformer, it have the main input over here. These are the mains, and out there I have 15 volts, and the other one it's 10 volts, and it's exactly what I need for my project. Okay, 10.15 volts. You know something? Now I have the chance to check my oscilloscope, measuring some alternative voltages. So 10.15 by the voltmeter, and we have over here, that's 50 Hertz, of course, because it's main. And if you measure like this, we have a RMS 9.93 volts. That's really nice. I'm gonna have the rectifier soldered straight on the terminals. This need to be really strong mechanically, like this. Now I have some hot glue to have that electrolytic in place. Don't heat up the electrolytic, it's dangerous. Okay, enough with this. So you may say it's ugly. Yes, I agree with that. It's pretty ugly, but it's effective, and this is the most important thing. Yeah. Thank you. me say it's better than the factory. Now I have a single question. Let me see if the floppy it's still okay in place. Oh yeah, no problem at all. Perfect. It's pretty solid over here, no problem. The transformer is very good tied in place. This is perfect. A little bit of tape. Transformer is in place, the rectifier is working as it should. We have enough power for the keyboard, and now it's time to have the amplifier on board. So let's have some tests. But after a few hours of working and testing and doing all this wiring and so on, it turns like these D-class amplifiers are absolutely unusable. The quality of the sound is awful. Maybe it's okay for a radio somewhere on the porch, but not for a keyboard. So that's the result. A lot of noise and a lot of hiss and a lot of, I don't know, it's really strange. Anyway, I have to try another amplifier. So this little circuit PAM8610 2 times 15 watts in class D, it's for nothing. I tried all kinds of tricks, filtering, extra filtering, I don't know, name it. And it's only fizz and hiss and puss and muss. Maybe they are working for general purpose, but not for the one I'm looking for. It's a piano, and I need a really nice crispy sound. Not with this one. Okay, goodbye, sayonara, see you later, alligator. The part of the project about the amplifier and the loudspeakers inside the case of the keyboard, it's gone for now, until I'm gonna find the proper amplifier. But for now, if the power supply is inside the case and working properly, it should be enough. The sound is awful, you can hear that. Okay, so the first part of the project has been done. So I don't need to use an external adapter for this keyboard. Everything looks fine. I love the way the switch stays here in place. Let's see if it's working. The main is on. Everything's okay here. Let's plug it in. Yes, there we are. The backlight is really bad on this one. I changed a lot of switches here. Now it's working perfect. And I also changed the potentiometers, the volume potentiometers. This one was ruined. For people who don't know or they never seen anything like this is a floppy drive. Yes, this is a floppy drive, and these are the discs or the diskette. It's 1.44 megabytes. It's almost nothing. Can you imagine that? So this one should go in here. The sound of the disc working there. Let's take it out. So that's a floppy drive. That's how the MIDI keyboards had been working 20 years ago. So this one, you can have MIDI files, any other kind of data. Let me have a sound test. And here we have the output. My little mixer is over here. And now let's see what's happening. The volume is perfect. And everything is fine with the keyboard. I'm really happy that I got rid of that power all adapter. It was always a mess. You know, when you have a gig, you are running from here to there, and it's always like, where the hell is the power adapter? I just lose it in the hotel or somewhere. So this is just an idea. I hope you like it. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. See you soon. Bye bye.